In this video, we show how to replace the backplane on a PowerEdge R7625. Before removing the backplane, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the R7625 service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the backplane, you must first remove the hard drives, cover, air shroud, fan assembly, drive backplane cover, and PERC card. To remove the drives, press and release the button to open the release handle. Holding the release handle, slide the drive out of the drive slot. Repeat this for every drive installed. To remove the cover, use a screwdriver to rotate the lock counterclockwise to the unlocked position. Next, lift the release latch until the system cover slides back. Then, lift the cover from the system. To remove the air shroud, hold the edges of the air shroud and lift it out of the system. To remove the fan cage assembly, lift the blue release levers, then, holding the release levers, lift it away from the system. To remove the drive backplane cover, slide it towards the back and lift it from the system. To remove the PERC module, loosen the two captive screws, securing it in place. Slide and pull the module to disengage it from the backplane, then disconnect the cables. To remove the backplane, disconnect the power cables from the system board. Press the blue release tabs to disengage it from the hooks on the system and lift it out. Then, disconnect the power and signal cables from the backplane. To install the backplane, connect the signal and power cables. Align the backplane with the slots on the system and lower it into position until the blue release tabs click into place. Then, connect the power cables to the system board. To install the PERC module, connect the cables, then align and slide in the PERC module into the slot on the system. Tighten the captive screws that secure it into place. To install the drive backplane cover, align it with the guide slots on the system and slide it towards the front of the system. To install the fan cage assembly, align the guide rails with the standoffs on the system. Press release levers to lock the assembly into the system. To install the air shroud, align the slot on the air shroud with the standoff on the system. Then, lower it into the system until it is firmly seated. To install the cover, align the system cover with the guide slots on the system and place it onto the system. Next, close the system cover release latch. Finally, rotate the lock clockwise to the lock position. To install the drives, slide a drive into the drive slot. Close the drive carrier release handle to lock it into place, then repeat this for each drive. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.